What's up, y'all? It's Rez. It's extra early. I should turn it on real quick to show y'all what it sounds like. Hopefully it records. But today we're doing the gasket header gasket. You can see mine right there. And you see where it's also leaking up here. I know it's leaking because a while ago these guys backed out because I never put Loctite on them. They backed out and I had to retighten them, but by the time I retightened them, the damage was already done. And you can tell it's like clean in between right there. So I don't think that's EGR. I mean, I don't think that's exhaust, but we'll see. Just do a quick lip. I know y'all heard it because I did. Tippity tappity. Part of me is like, there's no way it's leaking. Bruh, that boy is leaking. And especially the top. I knew the top was leaking, but dang. And then I was like, oh my god, the top bolt's gonna burn off. No, that's just the exhaust. And I was telling Tristan how you see all these faded, but right where they're touching the headers themselves, there's still a little gold left. So I'm like, man, that sucks. Yeah, we're going from this to that. And I actually went to the dealership. Here's a part number for y'all. Yeah, I think that's the part number. But the first time I went, the guy got me one for a 4-cylinder, an 02. I'm like, oh man. But yeah, this is the Honda Genuine. You can tell that this one's like the two metal layer gasket, and it's even got those little, I forget what you call them. They just help you fit it in place right. But I'm gonna try not to get it all dirty because I still need to take the headers off and from the bottom downpipe and then clean up the surface. Emma sliced herself yesterday. These bolts for the downpipe, I'm pretty sure are 17s. I do not know right now. Oh my gosh. What? What'd you say? Huh? Alright, y'all, so I've cleaned her up a bit. Steel wool, and I got some carb cleaner. That's all I got right now. But yeah, now I'm gonna clean this guy up. But I'm probably gonna pull my fan out the way because I want room. Alright, y'all, so it's as clean as I'm gonna get it. I had a flat razor, but this razor ain't that flat, so I stopped when I started scratching. They're not deep, so I know it'll be fine. But yeah, wipe it down one more time, get as much of this exhaust as I can off. Maybe clean that up, I didn't even notice it. And that's about it. I'm trying to use my engine degreaser right now to clean this up. This will be a future video. I'm pretty sure it's my camshaft cover seal that's leaking, but I wanted to replace that when I replaced my AGR valve water passage because I need to empty my coolant again, a whole lot of crap. But till then, I'm just gonna clean it up. I was just checking this out, y'all. If you look through this gasket, you see how those holes, you can see right through the gasket. It's like it burned through the gasket material around that stud. And I was thinking, well, I never put any like gasket sealer on it. And I think maybe the sealer is supposed to block that from getting into the holes and ruining it. I do not know. I'm still new to cars, guys. I'm not like a pro yet. Damn near on these Hondas since I'm doing everything on them. But yeah, I'm gonna go store, get some sealer, and I'll show you what it is. Unlike these other videos you'll watch online, they don't show you what you got, what you need. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the Honda, and we're gonna go to Advance and also get something to eat. cleaned that up as best I could. I ain't touched up there yet. But yeah, because I'm gonna go to AutoZone. Alright guys, you want to get this ultra copper gasket maker. The way you set it, you can pause it if you want. Just cut it, put a good bead around the gasket. Oh, there's my plastic. And then, like it says, I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours. So I'll try to get a video of the bead after I get it. I just barely cut the tip. And if y'all don't know, you use that pointing piece in the lid to pop the seal.
Yeah.
And I made sure to wipe that down with alcohol, you know, make sure the surface is nice and clean and smooth. But since I got these stud bolts, it's a little harder to put them on here straight. So I'm not gonna record till I'm done and I'm pressed it on there, because these are a little difficult. I'm gonna need Emma's help, matter of fact, to help me hold that up and then put it in. I'll record after, guys, don't worry. All right, y'all, you don't need a terrible amount. I only cut it right here so I could get a small bead. Go farther down if you want a bigger bead, but don't need a crap ton. I've seen some guys just smear it on there, but now I'm gonna have Emma help me put it on there. This side facing the block. I do not know if it matters, I'll be honest. There's no videos on YouTube. And I didn't really read through my book because they don't have nothing about aftermarket headers. But anyway, I think I'm fine. This is better than the last time because I didn't put none. But I'm gonna put it on now. Check it out, y'all. So you can see it. It did squish out a little. Not everywhere, because like, I mean, I didn't put a crap ton. I just put what I thought was necessary. So now I'm gonna tighten the down pipe. And after that, I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow. Wait that 24 hours. It says finger tighten until material begins to squeeze out around flange, and then let dry for 1 hour, then tighten the torque specs. So in an hour, I'm gonna come out here and tighten them real good. All right, y'all, it's actually the next day. Let's see if there's a difference. I like wake up all my neighbors because I can't put my diffusers in. Ooh. This got louder again. Because of that, I can't put my diffusers in, so. Oh crap, my fan. And my check engine light's back on, so I think exhaust leak is good. Before, like, I knew my exhaust leak was bad when my check engine light turned off, because yeah, that meant like more exhaust was going out the hood than down to the downpipe. So the O2 sensor that's reading all the fumes that I'm getting, that's giving me the check engine code, is my cat O2 sensor. So I knew there's less exhaust getting to it, and that's why the check engine light turned off. But now that it's good, check engine light back on. Alright, fan's back in. Let's turn it on. Car's a mess, man. The exhaust is a lot more throaty again. Nada tostada. Yeah, boy. All right, now I gotta get to work. I haven't driven it too far, but I can kind of smell like the gasket material heating up. And yep, so far so good. Feels like she's hesitating a lot less. And the next real test will be how much my gas mileage was impacted, because when it was leaking, man, I'd fill up and that should be gone in about, frick, I want to say like I get 80 miles for half a tank or a quarter tank, you know. It was terrible. And that's why I'm on E right now. I was a half tank the other day, and look, there you go. There, that's accurate. Half tank, 134 miles. That's not good on the dog. But yeah, now after work, I'm gonna fill up, and hopefully my old gas mileage returns. Let's get some tunnel action. Ready, y'all? Right now. Oh yeah. There we go. Honda's back, baby. Let's see. Stop and go. Man. I changed my mind. There's some person crossing the street. Oh my God. She's back. Have I said this yet? Driver's side window regulator coming soon. First VTEC hit since Gasket.